a shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do.
All right, y'all, so today's video, we are doing a deep cleaning in here, so let me show you. So there's laundry in here. I think my stepson threw his stuff in here last night, so I'll put this in the dryer, but look how nasty that is. And show you. Let's look in here. This is not too bad. There's some stuff here. And then, I don't know if you can see this, but so we're gonna go ahead and get to all this stuff today, all around here. The same with the dryer. I'm going to empty out the lint and just kind of wipe these machines down. They're not too bad. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just gonna wipe all this stuff down, and then I will take you out here. Let me show you. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is this. I don't know if you can see that. That is horrible looking, so we're gonna take care of that. Let me open this to kind of show you. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's our filter. That definitely needs to be changed. See, you can see right here. So we're definitely, ooh, look at that. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get to some deep cleaning today. And what else? I think there's something else. So this is where our dog eats, and as you can see, her mat is pretty gross. The light is coming in, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean these windows because there's just stuff all over. So just a little bit of deep cleaning today, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning some of the things in my home that really needed it. Now these might be things that you clean on a regular basis, but I certainly do not, so they needed a good cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get right into this video.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest.
Okay, so my Bissell Steam Shot is the best purchase I think I have made in a while. This thing is awesome. I love how it just helps remove some of the grime, whether it be on the washing machine, whether it be on grout, whether it be in the refrigerator. I've cleaned so many things with this, and it just helps. It doesn't completely remove, but it does help release whatever is stuck on your surface. So I really love this. You guys need to definitely give this a try. It really helped out here in the washing machine because there was a lot of the I guess soap scum stuff. I don't, whatever that was, this helped release it, and it was easier for me to wipe down.
Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, no. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting.
been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we.
So I got this cleaned, which looks so much better. There is the old filter, and then I have the new filter back there. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that in here. I'm also going to spray it down with some Febreze. I don't have the little things I used to buy at Home Depot to kind of just hook onto the filter. So I'm just going to spray it down with some Febreze, but it looks so much better. It looks cleaner. Let's see how this side looks right here. Yeah, 100% better. So let's go ahead and put this back together.
Let's sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Okay, so here is Bella's mat. It was just looking really gross. So I decided to go ahead and wash that. And don't worry, I threw the sponge away. I will not use the same sponge for my dishes that I used to clean my dog's mat and her bowl and her water bowl. But I do want to mention, so the sponge that I have here is a Scrub Mommy, and I have had this same one for over 3 months. These things are amazing. You can put them in the dishwasher to clean them, sanitize them, and they last a really long time. So I am definitely getting more. I actually do have more, but since I do have sponges, if y'all watch my, not my last video, but a few videos ago, I did a makeover in my laundry room. I have several sponges left, so like regular sponges, but I will be using those, and I'll also be using my Scrub Mommies. But I just have to give a little shout out to Scrub Daddy because those sponges are freaking awesome.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound?
All right, that is all for y'all today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Cause